Hello student, myself Anupriya Singh Suman, Assistant Professor in CSE SIRT Bhopal. Today we are discuss about introduction of CSS borders. So outline is that CSS borders, the border style properties, CSS border with examples, border colors, border color examples, borders CSS box models. CSS borders are the CSS border properties allow you to specify the style, width and color of elements border. The border color property allow you to change the color of border surrounding the element. And you can individually change the color of bottom, left, top, right side of the element. Note, different properties can be set for all different borders like top border, right borders, bottom borders and left border. So border bottom is color change the color of bottom border. Border top color is that change the color of the top border. Border left color change the color of left borders. Border right color change the color of right border. So the border style property is that border style. The border style properties specify the type of borders. None of the other borders properties will work without setting the border color. The border style properties allow you to select one of the following style of the border: dotted border, based border, solid border, double border, group, reads, inside, outside, none, hidden. So different types of border properties we can use in CSS. For example, we can start HTML header style p dot dotted, p dot based, p dot solid, p dot double, p dot group, p dot grids, p dot insert, p dot outside, p none, p hidden, p max. So that's our border properties, that is a border style syntax. Then style close, header section close and body section close. Then first thing is that p dot dotted is syntax is border dash style and dotted. Then also header section is heading to the border style properties, heading to close, and paragraph is that this property specify with kind of border to display with paragraph close. Different paragraphs is that p class dotted, a dotted border, p class based, a based dot border, that is a different paragraph properties. Body section close, HTML close. There is our output. CSS border width is that the border width property specify the width of 4 borders. The width can be set as a specific size px, pt, cm, em, etc. or by using one of the 3 predefined values, thin, medium and thick. There is example. So we can start HTML header section style p.1, then border style syntax is border dash style. We select solid, then width size is px, then that means pixel size is 5. Then we can also define p.2, then border style is solid, then border width is medium. So continue with p4, p5, p6. Then style section close, head section close, body section close, p2. p2 is h2 is border width properties, then p is property specific width of the 4 borders. Then paragraph class is 1 some tags, 2, 3, 4 and also 5 and 6. Then paragraph border none. The border width properties does not work if it is used along, then always specify the border style property to set the border first. That is a paragraph sentence. Body section close, HTML close. That's our output. That is border color. When we can change the border color, we use the property is used to set the color of borders. Color can be set using the color name, hex value, RGB value. So if the color is not specified border, enhance the color of the elements. That is our example. HTML header section style paragraph define the border style solid color is red, then style close, head section close, then we can start the body section. Body section is paragraph define the Greek of Greek, that is an example. Then border properties dot color, then paragraph is close, body section close, head section close. That's our output. So next topic is CSS box model. CSS box model is all HTML element can consist a box in CSS. The term box model is used with when talking about design and layout. CSS box model is contain which contain multiple properties including borders, margin, padding, and contain the itself. So it is used to create the design and layouts web pages. It can be used as a locale for customizing the layouts of different elements. The web browser and the every element as a reaction box of according to the CSS model. The CSS box model is essentially a box that wrap around the elements, different HTML elements. That is an example of CSS box model. CSS box model has multiple property in CSS. Some of them given below: borders, margin, padding, and content. Border area, margin area, then padding area and content area. So border area is that it is the area between the box, padding, and margin. Its dimensions are given by the width and height of the border. Margin area, the area consists of space between border and margin. The dimension of the margin are give the margin box with the margin box area. It is useful to separate the element of the margin box. Padding area is that it includes the elements of padding. There are including the shape of surrounding the content. There are width border box. Content the area is that there are consist of content like text, image, other media content. It is the border of the content edges. The dimension are given by the consist of box border and heights. There is some examples. Example is that HTML start head section start. We declare the style. Style is background color light gray. Then width size is 300 pixels. Border size is 515 pixels solid green. Padding size is 50 pixels. Margin is 20 pixel. Style close, head section close, and body section close. So H2 heading section is start, then demonstrating the box model. H2 close, P is a paragraph. Then all HTML can be consist at the box in CSS. Then body section close, then HTML close. There is our output of example. Thank you.